Hey friends, I'm so happy you're here because I have something special to share with you today. Take a look at this gorgeous design, modern, sleek, and just plain lovely. The best part? It's super affordable for the premium quality you're getting. It's a total win-win. This little gem fits perfectly in any space, home, office, or even as a thoughtful gift. Stylish, useful, and ready for whatever you need. All the details are waiting for you in the description. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more finds that make life a little brighter. See you next time.